I went brown for 4 days.
I cannot imagine.
No, it was absolutely horrific. It gets worse. I decided to do it with the Lumen and not anything else because I was like, I'm done with blonde. I'm a brown angel now. Day 4, I was on breakpoint. I was like, I get it out right now.
Hello.
Hello everyone, I'm Salomé de Vet and I'm a hairstylist based in Cape Town, South Africa.
Hi everyone, I'm Jools from Brisbane, Australia, and together with Salomé, I'm so excited. I just said Salomé. Hi, I'm Jools from House of Jools, and together with Salomé, we will be bringing you the wide world of hair color, trends, styling techniques, the salon life, and our industry.
Yeah?
Woo! Yeah! High five!
Smashed it. So currently, I definitely have been getting a lot of requests to go brown or darker and more to natural shades. I find that a lot of blondes actually are going darker. I always recommend to anyone that's blonde that wants to go darker to first have like an in-between step.
Let's be honest, a lot of the blondes, once they go, I want to be brown, they're going to be blonde in the next sitting. So I like to just have like this little like, oh my God, I'm going to hate myself. I don't want to do that. I don't want to put a tint on it. So 100%. Cover plus, and then, you know, you double color on. So I find that a lot easier, but also adding dimension.
For sure.
Yeah, and I feel like you're either a cool brunette and you will die being a cool brunette, or I think some of my clients and brunette clients are actually open now to having a little bit of warmth in there. Copper is such a big thing, cowboy copper and all that sort of stuff, which I love. I love it all.
Jools, so seeing that you're a hair wizard, can you make my wish come true and get us some like victim to do some hair on today?
Oh, a victim, okay. Abracadabra. All right, here she comes.
Hey! What are you talking about?
This is Jana.
Hello.
And where are you from?
I'm from Prague.
We're very international here. Everyone is from literally everywhere. Yeah, it's amazing.
Jana, tell us a little bit about your hair history. Like, I'm intrigued to know what's on here.
So in the last year, the most recent one, as you can see, I had kind of like a copper thing going on, kind of reddish.
Yeah.
And yeah, it was bleached down here and then darkened on the top. And then there was like a middle part somewhere here.
Yep.
So
okay.
It's been through a lot. I do have brown hair naturally, so I would like to go a little bit closer to that. So when it grows out, it's not like, you know, you don't see this line.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. Okay.
Very cool.
Exciting.
Where do you get your inspiration from when you seek inspiration?
Oh, okay. So recently, I have been dabbling in AI. So you can go to Messenger, show me a woman with brunette mullet hair. Hey, hello. So this is actually one I prepared earlier last night. But what I put in the search engine was cherry cola. And these are the images that came up. Some of them are like, but they're quite nice. And what's cool about them is that these are complete AIs. So that's kind of how I use the Messenger AI. And the really fun one is actually where a lot of people use, and it's on TikTok. Oh. I don't know why. Oh, God. Let's just get rid of that. Hello. Okay. And I'm going to type in hair color. Unbelievable. Honestly,
helpful.
It is helpful. So say we go here, right? I don't know why.
Wow.
Anyway. And it shows us the colors that we could possibly have. And then we just keep tapping through. Hello.
Wow.
Okay.
Hello.
Hey. You know? So this can save people a lot of heartache.
I do like natural, but I also play in a punk band, so I like a little bit of...
Oh my God,
so
stop it. If you're on stage rocking out and your hair is moving.
I would definitely lift her fringe up a little bit because you have
I love
such
microbangs.
beautiful eyes.
Yeah.
And so I think lifting up the fringe could be beautiful.
Look at that, popping.
We'll open up that little bit of lightness.
Yeah.
She has this like electric eyes. So like by framing it with a little bit of a fringe moment, and then also honey brown pieces that come through with more of like a deeper brown.
Yes.
But like almost like on a
amazing.
5-6 level on the root area, and then like a little bit of, I want to say like a 7-8 honey, so not too light honey.
We're on the same.
about a 3 centimeter natural regrowth, and then it goes into quite a dark red, like on about a level 6, I would say, and then quite light dimension and more of a golden brown, level 7, 8, I would say.
So we're going to actually keep some of the depth around our little bass playing rock star around here, because I think that this depth in here really suits her, and we really love the existing colour on the end. So we're going to make that pop. We are going to do 2 different tones through the top and 2 different levels. So we're going to section this off in a zigzag pattern and do our roots, bring together warm and cool tones. The reason why we're going to do a zigzag is because, especially in shapes like this, I don't want to see straight lines. I really want to see texture and movement. I love hair that dances. Like I like hair that moves.
Like myself and Jools both are obsessed with structure equalizer.
It just smells really good.
But I use it as a cutting lotion, a detangler.
Everything.
Like my clients want to buy it and I'm like, no.
No, you can't. No. In salon only. I absolutely love it.
I follow a lot of hairdressers. Is this something
this is where I keep my combs.
Have you ever gotten colour on your hair because of the comb?
No, never. You know how when you leave, you go home some nights and you've still got the clip?
The clip.
Yeah, no, my comb's always
So it's like just a zigzag sectioning all around. And we're going to be using this lightness that we have in this perimeter, keeping this lightness towards the middlings to ends.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Cool. Let's make some colour. It's such an expressive language, actually.
That's it.
And spookawesome.
Serendipity. All right.
Just for some spice. How many mils did you mix?
I went 5 drops.
Amazing.
I go by drops. If I'm doing like a red or a really big fashion colour, like I don't hold back.
No, same. I'm like a full...
Yes.
Yeah.
What do they call it?
Sometimes
Pipette.
two.
They call it pipettes. Pipettes?
A pipette.
Pipette. Yeah, I do like a whole
Thing of that. Okay, I see you. A B under a level 6 is a brown, but over a level 6 is a beige. The Germans say beige. Beige.
Oh, you do say beige.
Beige.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
No, I love that. Like, I love that 8B. I love all the Bs, actually.
Yeah, agreed.
They're really pretty. We literally are on the same brain, you know, the same wavelength.
So I'm going to keep this unmixed because I always like to, mix the one that I'm going to start with and then mix it, keep it as fresh as possible. So let's have a look. First, we're going to be tapping in our root area. So we're going to be dragging the first root color a little bit over that line, a little bit of a painting action. So covering the roots and that kind of a reddish band. So just first working our way at the bottom layer.
And keeping it really clean.
So I think your intuition gets a bit stronger the more experience you get in your hairdressing career.
Yes.
But okay, so now I'm doing a hand paint, but I just believe you should avoid lightening your hair so much. So now we're just starting our ends application. So we just kind of be melting the root color into the middlings to ends, our olive shade.
I feel like we've run out of things to say. We're going to put the timer on now. We're going to clean up. So, yeah.
I always like to just double check once I'm done with my application. Just make sure everything is neat, especially over the ears. If your client has short hair, it's really important to clean around the ears. Cute.
Okay, 25 minutes. We're both wrong. Here we go. 30 minutes.
Did you put it on 30 yet?
Yeah,
Processing time is
30 minutes. I'm
amazing.
going to wear it like a sports teacher.
There's 2 buckies, I think, in there that I want to just go get.
I'm just like mesmerized watching her cut, you know? Oh, yeah. I remember being an apprentice and all I did was I just loved watching people cut hair.
Yeah, you learn.
I still learn everything, you know? Like, it's like, oh, cool, I can do that technique next time with this client.
Roll my mate.
Oh, no.
No.
Oh, no, the condensation. Oh, no.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
Is it a tongue twister?
No, it's
just
just
the
something
accent.
stupid that Aussies say, but we don't say shrimp on the barbie. It's just what everyone says. Like, yeah, mate, throw a shrimp on the butt. I'm like, no, we don't throw shrimp. Hello. Yep. Let's get a bit of movement in here. Look at all this color.
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
Go nuts. Like you're playing the guitar. I mean, the bass. Ooh, girl.
Like edge
Yeah.
to it.
Yeah. No,
Depth, dimension.
Yeah.
Like your natural hair color, but better.
Yes. Yeah.
Honestly, styling wise, if she just washes and wears, I think it would actually be
Yes.
honestly the best.
Yeah, I agree.
In my opinion.
Okay.
You ready?
Yay! Let's do it. Oh my god!
Cute.
Oh my god! Whoa! Yeah, I can really see Joe and Jet.
Yes, it is.
It
Yes.
is.
Yeah. It makes your eyes pop.
Oh my god! Great job, guys.
Oh,
Your eyes look incredible with this, I must say.
Yes. But yeah, like really have a play with it. Like don't be scared.
Can I'm always
Absolutely,
terrified
yeah.
because you're like spending so much time sculpting it, and then I'm like, wow.
No, that's but you know.
That's the beauty of it.
That's amazing.
Cool.
Yes, cute.
Now you have Berlin hair.
yeah.
Yeah, I actually like to wear like this.
Yes, that
Love.
looks amazing,
I love.
actually.
Showing a little bit of ears.
Yeah, that
a
looks
vibe.
insane. I love
That's-
this.
Yeah, see? Like, yeah, this is hot.
Because this opens up your face, and then like the
Yes.
fringe adds
Yeah.
so much in like attention to your eyes. And
Yeah,
I
I
think
think
your
it took
eyes is such a strong feature.
Yeah.
Awesome.
You look
Very
so
nice.
good.
Oh, cute.
Yeah.
Thanks for being such a cutie.
And that is a wrap for today. So excited, so much fun. And this is just the start of a YouTube series. So this will be dropping continuously. So please stay tuned.
Also, we would love to see all of your work. So please tag us on Instagram and we would share it with all of our communities.
If you would like to see new techniques, new skills, any new ideas, please comment below. Bye.
It's a new
Okay.
day. Here's your coffee, my angel.
Has begun. My Queen Celine, thank you.
Queen Celine.